welcome back to the channel. And in this video I will be unboxing one new Seiko watch that my friend got it from me from the US. So I actually used one website called Joma Shop. I ordered it from here, Joma Shop. This Seiko watch is Seiko Essential Quartz, uh, white dial, squared, like it's a Seiko tank, and this is a reference number SWR052. It costed me around $157. We do the unboxing. So this is the watch. So this is the Seiko tank. This is the reference number SWR052P1. The crystal is hardlex, and this is how it looks. It's a very classy dress watch. Movement Japan, and there is no second hand, so it reminds me of that Cartier watch. So this is the closer look of this watch. My wrist size is around 6.4 inch, and the size of this watch is around like 38 mm. As you can see, it looks very good. The quality of leather strap is like really good. It gets tapered down. That's all for the video. Thanks.